Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic cooking solution that's perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. We found the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro and Vacuum Sealer Bundle and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this bundle? It features the Anova Precision Cooker Pro, a powerful sous vide device designed to circulate water at precise temperatures for perfectly cooked meals every time. Along with this is the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer, which seals in all the flavors and moisture of your ingredients before cooking. Together, they create a cooking experience that can elevate your home meals to restaurant-quality results. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Precision Cooker Pro. With a robust heating power of 1200 watts, this cooker can heat water quickly and maintain precise temperatures, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly. The stainless steel body not only adds to its durability but also makes it easy to clean. What's impressive is its ability to run continuously for up to 10,000 hours, making it a reliable tool for all your culinary adventures. It's also drop-tested and IPX7 rated, meaning it can handle a bit of rough treatment in the kitchen. Now, onto the vacuum sealer. This handy device comes with 10 free pre-cut bags to get you started right away. Its separate air pulse and seal functions allow you to customize the sealing process based on what you're cooking. Whether you're sous vide a steak or preserving fresh vegetables, this vacuum sealer helps lock in flavors and maintain freshness. So, who is this bundle suitable for? If you enjoy cooking and are looking to experiment with new techniques, or if you simply want to make your weekly meal prep easier, this bundle is a perfect fit. It's also great for anyone looking to impress dinner guests with high-quality meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Imagine throwing a dinner party where you serve perfectly cooked salmon, tender vegetables, or even a beautifully sous vide steak. With this bundle, you can prep your meals in advance, allowing you to enjoy the company of your guests instead of being stuck in the kitchen. It's also ideal for meal preppers who want to ensure their food stays fresh and flavorful throughout the week. In summary, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro and Vacuum Sealer Bundle is a powerful cooking duo that makes achieving culinary perfection at home easier than ever. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this bundle can help you unlock a new level of cooking creativity. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.